Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Capcut PFP. Open Capcut, tap New Project, choose a 1:1 canvas and import your photo or clip. Trim and position the subject with pinch and drag, then use crop to frame tightly. Add a subtle background blur and a soft vignette for focus. Adjust brightness and contrast slightly, then export as PNG or MP4 suited for profile upload. Share it to your social accounts for consistent branding. Start by applying auto or manual exposure, tweaks to make your face or subject pop in the frame. Use a gentle LUT to unify colors, and lower saturation if skin tones look oversaturated. Add a soft vignette and subtle sharpen to emphasize eyes without creating artifacts. Keep overlays minimal so the PFP remains readable at small sizes, and preview at actual profile dimensions before exporting to confirm clarity. If you want a standout PFP, use mask to cut out your subject and place a colored or blurred background for contrast. Add a tiny scale or subtle bobbing animation with keyframes to give life when the PFP displays as a short loop. Keep motion small so the image reads clearly at small sizes, and export a short MP4 or animated PNG to preserve movement while keeping file size reasonable for uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.